tuna mayo. Are we about to go crazy in Don Quixote too, or what? This is it. We're here at karaoke. Hey!
Where?
Okay, bye. Love you. See you in a week. Okay, bye. Bye. Thank you. I'll see you. Okay. Buddy's chugging. Ooh.
This isn't even water.
Oh.
What do you drink?
Lemonade, please. Hey.
No parents!
No parents.
We're all together.
Yay! It just worked out.
We did not think it was gonna be like this. Yay! Mom said don't get the Jeep, but we got the Jeep. Oh God. Alright, we're looking for 7-Eleven. Oh shit, we're here. We made it. We're just trying to get a little snack before we head back to Kate and Christine. Let's see what they got. Everybody's starving. So tea. It's only $1.95.
Oh, these are for mine.
They have tonkatsu ramen.
No, I know.
That's crazy. We're blacking out in the 7-Eleven. It's only been like 10 minutes. Another one.
For
Damn,
home.
we're kind of going crazy. Maybe we should relax.
No, see, I was literally staring at the food over there. I was staring at the food and I was like, I want another one. But we're literally gonna go get food.
Everybody's starving. Okay, we're giving a 7-Eleven take. We're literally just taking our sweet time. Like Kate and Christine aren't also starving, but
They're okay. Oh!
do
It's
anything.
like a little opening, like, sticker. To
Yeah. Oh, we're like in Japan. We went crazy in that 7-Eleven. Like, no joke.
So much food.
Yeah, we got a lot. Oh, I'm gonna turn the AC on. But I have a tuna mayo. I'm gonna eat this and then drive.
That was okay.
And I think we're going grocery shopping. I don't know what's happening. The night is still young.
I like this one.
What is that?
This is the spicy shrimp katsu musubi roll.
You wanna try tuna mayo?
Yeah, sure. It was like my food hyperfixation for a few years.
Really? Oh, this is the hot one. We saw that there was a hot section. Stood in front of it for a good 5 minutes. And God bless the hot one. Oh God, kid's calling.
Chicken.
Pick something up, quick. Hey.
Did you get McDonald's?
No?
Oh, what to say? I'm about to say, I was like, what are you looking at? You said y'all were at McDonald's. Oh, let me coffee too. Don't eat without one. I was like, did you, wait, are you guys at 7-Eleven?
Yeah, we're in the car.
Okay, bet. You guys are coming here now?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
She's gonna see
Imagine we were at McDonald's.
She's gonna see this vlog later and be like, these bitches.
It's fine. Everything else in here is for Kate. It's like 2 things. Are we about to go crazy in Don Quixote too, or what? Yes. Need that. Need that. Really going crazy in Don Quixote. Like, look at this. Spam slicer. This little rice scoop. Look at the little rice scoop with the faces on it.
That's cute.
And then the spam slicer is crazy. This giant Kirby rice ball.
Wait, I kind of want that. Oh my god.
Giant Kirby. Oh yeah, you roll it. Yes. Are you kidding me? You're kidding. No. 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 We've just been mindlessly walking around the store. We've been here for like an hour and a half now. It's crazy. Just going up and down all the aisles. But I got my floss.
No one's gonna get the sandal sandwich.
No one's getting sunblock. We don't know what sunblock we're getting. Sunblock has been acquired. They have hot water in the thing? Oh. Anyway, sunblock. We got it. We have the bottle.
Oh my god.
Strawberry
It's a bit
kiwi.
cooler.
Oh, hell yeah.
You want one?
No. Hello? Don Quixote?
Someone's pets are in
Can they ring me up? Can they ring me up?
Do you want?
Pick a ramen challenge. Difficulty impossible. What is it? Meat ramen. Meat ramen. Maybe we just go with a staple. But then they don't even have it in like... Oh.
Right there.
Right, gang. Not an easy hike. Okay.
We made it.
Let's see, yeah, we're not even... We're just getting started. We're trying to go all the way up there. Holy. Wow. No, it really feels like we made it to sunset. With our schedule, yeah, we
Why is she falling on here?
What? Wow. Hey Wong, we are at Zippy's now. We did not make it up to the pillbox because we're not trying to do that on 3 hours of sleep. And also we parked far, so but we're gonna eat breakfast now and then get coffee and then I don't know what else.
We're going with Stassi.
Stassi.
If not, we can go tomorrow for my birthday.
We have like so much time. Oh my god, I'm excited. Yes sir, yes sir, yes.
It's so good.
We're at a coffee shop now. I got a matcha gato because I deserve it. We made a 20-minute walk to the promised land. Now somebody has to buy something. Right. Oh yeah, I think we're... Oh no, that's close to them. So if we go somewhere tonight that's close to them, we can go to the Miffy store.
I like the Miffy store. I'm sold. It's for the photo.
Poser. She said she hated Snoopy.
It's for the photo though. Could be the movie.
No, the match. This is crazy.
The cousin family.
How much are they? How much? Oh,
But the fits would be hard.
how
Fits
cute.
would be hard. Is there anything cool in the back?
What about the same thing?
No.
It's the same thing.
I got Shark.
Shark Symphony, if you will.
I'm gonna photo it.
Look.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another 7-Eleven haul. Damn, the lighting is shit. I got a banana because my body is telling me I need to eat a fruit or vegetable. And then I got beef pho to balance it out because I was eyeing that yesterday.
You know what, Kevin? It's okay. You know what? I have Tums.
And then I got Maui style. Huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. He was like, no. Actually, those are all for me.
I'm curious. How does this one start?
Yeah, Maui style onion chips because I want to try these. But yeah, we're gonna hang out for a little bit and then head back out. I think we're just hanging out at the mall. So that'll be fun. It's so weird to be back on this camera. Like, I haven't used this camera to vlog in forever, but we're back on it because I like the mic on it better than the DJI. Okay, we're trying the pho. Honestly, I'm kind of scared. It doesn't really smell too good. Like, it smells fine, but like not. It's obviously it's not gonna be amazing. We've also been sitting here for like 10 minutes now. I do think it needs to go in the microwave again. That's not bad. I give it like a 7 for like what it is.
It's 7-Eleven phone. But do they have anything like in California?
But the broth is like actually really good. We're here for one thing and one thing only. Miffy. Oh. Huh? Oh. Across the street.
Okay.
I'm crying. Snoopy and Miffy took my money today, once again. When the food takes 20 minutes, so you get dessert first. Yup. Shut up. Dubai chocolate labubu matcha cookie. Starting the morning off right. Got a mango matcha, and then Joyce got strawberry. That's so cute. Yay. Now we're gonna find a Daiso. What?
Yeah, no, and they wrote our names.
Oh yeah.
And they spelled it right.
Wow. Oh, mine's upside down. Cute.
Yeah.
We found the Daiso, but we're gonna taste test really quick. Apparently it's hella good, so.
Yeah.
Like the mango is so good. Now we're trying the strawberry now.
Let me take this one, bro.
Okay, we have to keep walking because we can't bring these inside. So, okay, we're back. We downed our drinks. It's beach day, but we're at the holy ground. What'd you get? What is that? Longanisa? Nah. Wow. Everybody got longanisa? Oh, one?
So I got the Hawaiian hot. This
Heck yeah. Okay.
Are you getting anything?
Yeah.
What are you getting?
Lechon.
Oh, the sand is burned.
Oh, I can even. We made it. Is it recording? Yes. And then this is it. Hello vlog. We are done at the beach now. We're walking to get shaved ice. First one of the trip. It only took 3 days, but we're going. Also, there's another Snoopy store here, so we will be going, actually. And my dad wants a shirt. Here we are. This line is crazy. Yeah, what makes it blue? Thinking of lily koi, blue pineapple, mango. How many flavors? 3? 3. she is.
You know what that gives?
What?
Kata kata.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It tastes like
Heck
confidence.
yeah. This is life-changing shaved ice, I think. Oh, this is me trying Joycelyn and OJ's banana bubblegum
And cotton candy.
cotton candy.
No.
You know, it's not bad. That's good. Well, did you mix it all together?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Got the second matcha of the day. A premium HAWAIIIIIIII matcha. It's good. Matcha's really good, actually. Anyway, we are back, but we're heading back out now to go to karaoke for Kate's birthday. So, yeah, we're gonna get drunk and sing. I hope we're going to get food first, and then we're gonna go. Also, I got this Snoopy shirt for my dad. I'm trying to put him on because he wanted a shirt. So I was like, we're gonna compromise and get... I like the back, but I wish this was the front. It was displayed like this in the store, but it's okay. This is the back. But surely he likes it. We're here at karaoke. Hey! Woo! Woo! Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right. Whoa. Someone said you had your tattoo removed. Saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music. I'm no longer your muse. Yeah, but I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe. Hey vlog, it is Thursday. We are about to hop on a boat for a little sunset cruise. We got some drinks. OJ has the drinks. OJ found his sunglasses. Oh, Christine bought some shots for everybody. Yum, yum. It's gonna be a movie. What? This is crazy. Oh. Yeah, wave or look the other way, look that way.
Oh, wait.
We waving, we waving. Look, Christine's laughing, she heard that. Cut the camera.
I'm working out.
Oh, you made it. We just got off the boat. Hey, hey. Guys, we gotta go to like a park. What? What'd she say? Oh.
Let's just go all in, 'cause I just got to move. Take a look at all shining lights.